Hi all, welcome my dear friends. So today in this session we are discussing how to approach CMA Final Strategic Cost Management. This is in your CMA Final Group 3. Lot of friends are thinking Group 3 comparatively very bigger portion and we have to learn so much content. So, my dear friends, in this short session, we are going to tell you how to approach Group 3 Paper 60 SCM and how to revise very short. Let me tell you, if you go through the ICMA index, you may go through lot of chapters and you have in a worry that how to prepare or how to start, and even you may feel that which chapter is important, how to plan revision. So my dear friends, all these things will be sold in this session, my dear friends. First of all, as all of you are aware that your CMA final, there are two sections. Section 1, we have a MCQ of 30 mark, where which coming a mix of theoretical concept and numeric sums. And we have section 2, descriptive, which is for 70 mark. So in this session, I am going to highlight how to crack the 70 mark, because MCQ, as you all know, in our EduHome Connect portal also, we are giving free MCQ access to all the students. We are giving free MCQ access to all the students. You can able to go and get the, we have taken all the previous year, everything. If you take anything, you are having a bronze plan where you will get a free access. Even if you want to go for a basic plan only for MCQ, you are able to access at 99. So I am focusing on descriptive. So hope all of you are ready. So let's go for how to approach descriptive questions. So let us start with analysis. First of all, as you gone through, one question you may ask, the 70 mark, is it a problem question or a theory question? Friends, this 70 mark is a majority of our problem oriented question, and we have only one question comes for theory, that is none other than question number 4B. This question number 4B, only one question comes from theory, that is 4B, which comes either from introduction to strategic cost management or it from quality control cost, that is quality cost management. If you analyze the past trend, two times they came questions on value analysis, that is value added, non-value added. One time they came question in June 24, they came question on lean accounting, which is part of quality cost management. And in the last recent June 25 attempt, they came question on what? Quality cost. So either of the introduction to SCM or quality cost management, they coming one theory question, that is in 4B. Let me tell you beginning itself. See 4A, the specialty will come 4A, majority time 4A coming ABC. So today in this session, I am going to tell you this. ABC is a very, very important topic, because see in SCM, as you go through this module itself, or if you go for it, you see here how many areas I have classified it. It is around 26 areas. There are 26 areas. So practically, it is not at all feasible to learn all these 26 areas, or maybe to give an equal weightage. So in that, this ABC analysis is helpful. ABC means which is very, very important. And this ABC here means activity-based costing. So here the ABC means what? Activity-based costing. So I'm telling this is a part question. That is, you must prepare, because except to one attempt, every attempt. So this ABC is coming 4A. So 4A you choose, then 4B also you have to choose. So 4B, this theory is relevant for that. So your introduction theory only that you can able to go through. Just reading, understand the concept, that's how you can rate it. That is 7 mark, even 3 mark also is fine for us. 7 mark ABC question, then 3 mark. So 10 mark, it's a good deal for that. Now coming into major point. So how I am going to highlight you that? I am going to give you the A category first. See, in your preparation, next A category, I would like to tell you transfer pricing. See, transfer pricing, See, out of this 26 mark, every time one transfer pricing question is coming. So this is the another main area you have to focus on your preparation. Sir, in our ICMA material, we have around 8 to 10 transfer pricing questions. Is that enough? See, I would like to tell you that you have to do further previous year questions on transfer pricing plus workbook sum released by ICMA. That is enough. Because in your intermediate question, you don't want to go through, that is enough. You can able to crack it. Even out of these 4 attempts, one question ditto came from your study material also one time. So that is how you can able to crack it. So this is the another. Sir, what is the next year part? Next year part, I would like to tell you none other than standard costing. See, variance analysis. Except one attempt. Every time they coming with a 14 mark essay question. One time they came in 7 mark question on overhead, 7 mark question on material. Otherwise, every time coming 14 mark. This is the only one chapter coming every time 14 mark. That is what I would like to call it as A part. So this is the another interesting area. And you have to understand one thing. There are some students who are maybe preparing on their intermediate perspective. No, final level you should understand about combined variance calculation, reconciliation, reverse calculation. All these knowledge is relevant. So you have to give specific time allocation for preparing those things. It doesn't mean that simply allot some time for standard costing and do some basic question you cannot able to score. So you have to, one the moment you done some your class sums or maybe your say ICMA sums, go and refer previous year question and try you are able to solve or not. If you are trying to able to solve previous year sum, then your preparation is on par. Don't worry, go ahead. So this is the another A. I would like to call this as even AA also because of the guaranteed 14 mark. Sir, what is the next mark? Can you please tell me? Definitely, that is none other than networking. That is none other than what? Networking. See, networking, except the first attempt, that is December 23. Though June 23, you won't take into consider. So you take all the other attempt. We have 14 marks. This is question number 7. Bracket is a sum. So question number 7 came all time. That is 14. If you take average mark every time, 12.25. So this I also put it as W. See, networking, let me tell you, in our page, I have uploaded SCM marathon videos also. In that marathon, I will pin you those videos also. In that marathon, I have already discussed how to done the previous year sums. So you can able to practice those sums also for addition to your classroom preparation. Questions are coming more or part related question or question more of crashing. Because crashing, you have to reduce the duration of the project into minimum. So those type of questions also testing for exam. So you have to consider those points. Clear? The next AAA, see, I am telling on the perspective of important only. Next AAA, I would like to tell, see, if you tell transfer pricing, we have to learn all those theoretical concepts. But without any effort, 7 mark if you can able to get, that is none other than activity based costing, friends. Except to one attempt, every attempt activity based costing came. So already I have told activity based costing is a category sum. So already I have highlighted. Now for the order purpose, I have just again highlighted. Next, see, we could like to call silent killers. Silent killer, A category. That means effort is less, mark is maximum. Effort is less, mark it maximum. None other than this topic, that is business forecasting model, where they asking questions on index, seasonal index, they asking forecasting, regression, all those concepts are every time 7. See, I'm telling, previous year question alone you practice, 4 attempts, 4 question you practice, similar pattern only will come for exam. So you can able to score 7 mark. 4 question you practice, 7 mark guaranteed. So this is also another 7 mark. I will tell you business application of maxima minima. See, this business application of maxima minima. See, except to one attempt every time it came. So this is also I can put it here. Now I will tell you very big point, friends. I will like tell you how many topic I have taken. Let me tell you. See, in A or AA category, I have taken as of now six topic only. How many topic? 6 topic only. Now see the average mark coming from this area. Average mark coming from this area. See the average mark coming from this area. What could be the mark? Can you please spread it? See, average mark coming is 50.75. Take the MCQ 30. Take the MCQ 30. You are going to get what? 80.75 mark. I will tell you the already highlighted MCQ strategy also. See, this is the way how you have to prepare. See, in the starting of the session, we were discussing 26 index page. Now with the 6 index page, exam is coming 50 mark. This is how strategy, friends. So you have to highlight. Sir, what do you mean that don't we want to study? And I have one point, sir. There is some point called a decision making. Every time question number 2. One time coming relevant costing 14 mark decision making. This question we have 10.5, but you are not putting as A. Yes, I am not putting as A because it is a lengthy question. You have to take at least 20-25 minutes to read and understand the sum. So in your regular class or in your preparation time, you go through those paragraphs and you are familiar with those questions, attempt it. You have to learn those chapters because product mix decision, relevant costing, pricing, all are important only because we are learning from our intermediate itself. Important only. But the problem is what? If you see the question which is coming for exam, the trend, let me show you. See this question. Let me show you some question paper. See the question. See, 2A. See, question is starting in this page. You have to read all this page and it is ending next page. So reading this para itself will take 20 minutes. That will reduce your confidence. Whereas for solving this problem of business forecasting, preparation time will not take that much. So that is how the strategy works. Do you understand the point? That is how the strategy works. Even you know one thing, in our preparation stage, we told we have to learn this 7-mark topic. That is this 7-mark theory. If you take that 7-mark theory also, then the total will be more than that. 50.25 already we highlighted. Correct? So this is how called a preparation strategy, friends. So this is the strategy I would like to tell you. See, this is already I told you have to learn this concept, understand there is enough 3 mark, that is 1. Here, this topic, decision making, pricing, decision, relevant costing, these are all the topic. What is the challenge, up to these 3 topics? You have to take a lot of effort in your preparation. Marks will come 14 mark. So what I'm telling, prepare it, not a bad strategy. But if questions is coming very lengthy, which is not familiar, just leave it in the choice. You can able to manage with confidence. Next, target costing. See, target costing, I would like to call in B category because when you go for the next level, this is another interesting area, target costing. Because target costing, it's out of 4 attempts, 2 times came. So, but this is a B category. So why I am putting B category? Because preparation is easy because you don't want to take much effort. What is your desired selling price minus target profit margin? Formula is over. So preparation effort is very less. So product life cycle, asset life cycle, so far only one question only came. So it's a normal costing sum. Even asset life cycle means your capital budgeting sum. So it is a normal area. I'm not highlighting it. Decision making using properties, an extension of your decision making area, which you learned in the previous sections. So the same area only, that is also 7 marks. So which all comes under C category, where you have to review the sum. That's so. A, B, C already we highlighted. See, let me tell you one silent point. See in your module, see A, B, C, GT, these all are coming one chapter. That is A, B, C, GT, throughput, backflush. Even you can take benchmarking also. All are coming under one chapter. So we have learned that we will score for A, B, C, pakka. Sometimes what happened now, unlike type, if you see one time, throughput costing. What is throughput costing? We consider only material cost as variable in a short term purpose and throughput contributes nothing but sales minus direct material cost. That's all. You have to learn throughput accounting ratio. That's all. Just remember things. Suppose ABC not came, you can score on throughput. If throughput is not working, JIT also, so you can take some amount of time preparation on JIT and backflush costing. You can make some amount of preparation on JIT and backflush costing. So this is how you have to go for the preparation, friends. I hope you can able to understand the same one because it's a backup plan. Okay, variance analysis you already see. LPP, let me tell you this area. This is just for information. LPP, transportation assignment, anyone coming one time. Either LPP, transportation or assignment. Anyone is coming one time. More number of time coming for exam is what? Assignment. So what I would like to tell you strategy on this. We have to learn this because we have enough time. Already we have highlighted the A category 6 or 7. See, you have to take a standard one question in transportation. Generally warm based question only coming. So standard one question on transportation with maximization, minimization. Similarly, assignment also standard one question with the maximization, minimization and traveling salesman. One time question came, that is traveling salesman only. In our YouTube channel already we have highlighted traveling salesman question, so you can able to go through that also. So that is the case you have to approach. Understand? So one standard question, if you refer the any type of question you can solve it because concept is remain same. I hope you can able to understand. So since the concept remains same, you can go for that. Game theory is a very good question, and let me tell you, game theory is coming nowadays for MCQ 2 mark. So game theory is a lesser effort. You can go through game theory also. See, I missed this super duper point, A category point simulation. I was thinking of this simulation. So if you take that, it will cross to 60. Simulation. See, every time one simulation coming exam. You cannot find any exam without simulation. You cannot find any question without simulation. So simulation is a super duper point. I would like to put it in a category. Learning curve, see networking already verified. Learning curve, I already told. See, this is 2 mark, it will be helpful. So you have to prepare it very well. Inter also we learned. So it's extension. Sometimes 14 mark essay of decision making question, learning mark application comes. So learning mark you can able to review, but the weightage or number of revision can accordingly can reduce it. This 2 point already told. Data analytics only coming for MCQ, no problem are coming. No, it's a theory topic, so no questions are coming. See, now you are very clear. See, you have understood what are all the A category, what are the double A category you have to prepare. Yes, that is enough. And I would like to tell you that please take all the previous year question and practice. Even previous year MCQ also you practice. And I would like to tell you that we are coming up with a lot of exciting content for other subjects also. We are coming with. So please follow our page, refer with your friends so that everyone will get the benefit maximum. So I don't want to extend much. I want to wish you all the best for your preparation and wish you all the best. God bless you, my dear friends. Not friends, future CMAs. All the best.